Hi guys, Nick here from Techniblogic.com, and today we are having the latest gadget with us which can surely going to replace the Amazon Echo from the market because the price is quite competitive compared to the Amazon Echo available in the market. So this is the box. As you can see, this is being powered by Amazon Alexa, as well as this is being a brand from Anchor. So the device name is Eufy Genie. As you can see, the brand also have different other smart home devices like smart cleaner, smart bulb, and different other stuff. But as of now, I'm going to do a quick review for this Eufy Genie. So this is a smart home device which can control different stuff. So coming to the box, when you open it further, on the top we get the installation guide and different warranty card and stuff. I just keep this aside. After that, in the box we get the device itself, which is having the Eufy branding, different buttons, mic and light features onto it. I just keep it aside, and at the back side it shows that things you can try on it like music, show podcast, alarm, timer, shop using Amazon, and different other stuff you can control using this device. After that, I just keep this aside. Moving further, we get into the box, we get a power brick, which is a 5 volt 2 amp adapter, which is quite good. And other thing is that micro USB to USB cable and auxiliary cable, using which you can connect a big speaker directly to this small device to increase the volume of the device. Overall, it is quite good. The only thing which I noticed is that the device is not having any kind of battery inside it. That means you need to properly plug that device into the power 24/7 to make it work properly. After that, there is nothing much which you need to explain over here. You just need to connect this using a application in your phone, which is a Eufy Home application. You just need to install it from Play Store, and after that you just need to connect it using internet. Any Wi-Fi connection will work, and connect this device by putting into the add option, and you are ready to go. After it is being plugged to the internet and it is being connected from your phone, it doesn't matter that whether all the time your Eufy Genie has been connected by the phone or not. First time it has been connected to the internet, it will work pretty well. You just need to say hi Alexa and it will work. So as you can see in the video, I just tried different options.
Alexa, today's temperature.
In Delhi, it's 25 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy skies. Tonight's forecast calls for more of the same, with a low of 25 degrees.
Alexa, do beatbox. Alexa, play Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
So the one thing which I noticed is that when I say Alexa, what is your name? So while telling the name, it says hi, I am Alexa, and it gets stuck into that loop. Overall, I just love this device. Everything is pretty fine into it. Coming to the pros and cons, it is having the great pricing. The build quality is good. Speaker is quite loud. You don't need any additional speaker, but still some people need it, so you can attach a separate speaker with it. Microphone works pretty well. It is having some new technology into it, which means you can ask Alexa from anywhere into the room and it is going to hear. I love the LED light which is on top of it. It changes according to the things you ask and different other stuff. It changes according to it. And coming to the cons, there is no battery inside it. When you ask the name, it's stuck for a few seconds, as I've already explained previously. And I think it needs some more languages support, like Hindi language or different other language as per the countries. Overall, still the price, according to the pricing, the device is quite good. So if you have some particular question, do comment down below. I will be replying back to each and every question. So that's it for the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of this stuff, be sure to hit the like button and do comment and subscribe. You can also follow me on Twitter and make sure to check out my other YouTube videos. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, see ya and keep rocking.